Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today, we're taking a look at something that's aiming to shake up the entire projector game. This is the NEBULA X1 triple laser 4K projector, aka the Nebula Master. Sounds intense, right? But honestly, it kind of lives up to the name. Let's start with the basics. This thing is packing triple laser technology, which means you're getting sharper colors, deeper contrast, and just an overall punchier image than traditional LED or single laser projectors. It's pushing 3,500 ANSI lumens, and trust me, that brightness isn't just a number on paper. Even in a room with ambient light, this projector holds its own. You're getting vibrant visuals that stay crisp across the board, whether you're watching a dark, moody thriller or a colorful animated film. And it's not just about the brightness. The contrast ratio here is 56:000:1. That's wild. Blacks look inky and deep, while highlights pop with detail. Pair that with Dolby Vision support, and you're looking at some seriously cinematic quality from a box that's small enough to go wherever you do. Speaking of size, this unit is portable. Not in that it has a handle and still weighs a ton, but genuinely compact. It's got a built-in micro gimbal, and that's not just a cool buzzword. It auto-levels and stabilizes the image even if you just drop it on a table at a weird angle. So whether you're setting up in a living room, backyard, or even projecting onto your bedroom ceiling, you've thought about it, it adjusts for you. Zero fuss. Now, audio. Often with portable projectors, sound gets overlooked. But Nebula threw in 40W stereo speakers, and they're tuned surprisingly well. Full range clarity with punchy bass. Is it replacing a full Dolby Atmos system? But for an all-in-one unit, it definitely punches above its weight class. And yes, Dolby Atmos is supported too if you want to plug into an external setup. Another underrated but super useful feature? The 0.9 to 1.5 optical zoom. You can tweak your screen size from around 80 inches up to a massive 300 inches without moving the unit. That's pretty rare at this level. Usually, you're stuck with digital zoom, which hurts quality. Here, it stays optical, which means sharpness remains intact. Now let's talk smarts. It runs on GTV, Google TV, so it's got that familiar, clean Android interface. All your favorite apps? Already built in. Voice control? Yep. AI enhancements? You bet. The smart AI system can actually analyze your environment and tweak picture quality in real time based on ambient light and color temperature. That's some next-level optimization, and it works surprisingly well. Design-wise, it's sleek. Minimalist. That subtle matte finish and modern silhouette blend easily into any room setup. It's tech-forward without being flashy, and I'm all for that. Gaming? You're not left out. Lag is impressively low. Not quite esports level, but definitely solid for casual console or cloud gaming. And with a display this massive, it's hard not to get immersed. Battery life? Well, this isn't one of those battery-operated projectors. It's meant to be portable in the setup anywhere with power, kind of way. But with how compact it is, tossing it in a bag and taking it to your next movie night or presentation is effortless. So here's the deal. If you're looking for a home theater-grade projector that's portable, incredibly bright, color-accurate, feature-rich, and smart, the NEBULA X1 is not playing around. It's packing specs that compete with units double its size and price. From the triple laser engine to Dolby Vision and Atmos, from the optical zoom and AI tuning to the built-in gimbal and massive screen support, this thing delivers. It's kind of like if a cinema, a smart speaker, and an AI assistant had a baby, and then made that baby super portable and gave it a sleek design. So yeah, Nebula wasn't kidding when they named this one Nebula Master. If you want to buy this NEBULA X1 triple laser 4K projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.